Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Mowers. Good morning. Welcome to another holiday product review. That's right, during the holidays I get a lot of different products from different manufacturers, and it's so cold out that I don't really work on my stuff for now. But I got this box in the mail the other day. It's a big one, a big box. And what I got was a portable power station. In case of a blackout, you don't have to whip out your generator right away, because this one is a portable power station that is not gas, electric. And I'll show it to you in a minute. These are instructions, but I don't think we're going to need it. Forget about it. So in the box on the top, there's a power adapter brick with an input for a plug. This plug right here. See, I told you don't need instructions. Easy. Then you have some insulation that's covering it. And then this big, heavy block. Oh. Nothing else in the box. Well, maybe there is. I don't know. Nope, nothing. Okay, so here it is. This is the Vinnic power station. Handy carrying case. I mean, it's like in a case, and it's handy to carry. There's the vent areas. Here you have the inputs for your charging cable. Vinnic on this side. And here is the front. So here in the front, we have two inputs for AC 110. You have a cigarette lighter input too for those kind of adapters. DC output 12 volts. I've actually never seen holes like that. Like, what would I even plug in for that, you know? But also it has 4 USB ports, right? Regular Type A, as well as 1 Type C mini USB. So you can charge all your electronics with this. If you have an accessory that has the 12 volt cigarette lighter plug, you can use that. And also this is any AC power that you need, you know, power tools, whatever that's corded. You can take this on your camping trips, whatever. And let's turn it on and see in shipping whether or not it came charged. So you just turn it on. It has an LCD display here, and it just shows 100%. If you wanted to use DC, you would press the DC on and off right there. And then AC on and off right there. And it tells you how long it's been running on. So it will tell you, even with this being at 100%, how long 100% use it is. Like if you take it down to 90, you just look at the timer there and see how much you actually used. You know, so I don't need to charge it because it's 100%, right? So we'll disconnect this and let's plug some things into it. So we've got the Vinnic there. Let's grab some items here. Let's see. So let's say I'm in a remote area and I don't have a plug to plug in my electric grinder. Huh? Let's plug this in and see. So I'm just taking the electric grinder, plugging it in. So that didn't seem like it had enough power to power up the grinder. So I'm going to get another grinder. This is a newer model, all right? We'll try that. Here we go. That's no good. It's got a warning here now saying overload. So it doesn't have enough juice. It doesn't have enough juice to power electric tools, power tools. Too much amperage pullage from these electric tools. That's very disappointing. All right, well, then it probably won't handle a heat gun, because this pulls a lot of electricity. Let's see. I'm just trying. So far, we aren't able to power anything so far. So it's very disappointing right now. Here we go. Overload. So you can't power any grinders. You can't power any heating guns. Let's try a regular drill. This is just a regular drill. I don't know whether or not it takes that much power, but I mean, if you can't power a drill, really, what is this good for, you know? Hey, I tell it like it is, man. You send me a power station, it's supposed to be able to power this stuff, because a gas one will. Okay. All right, we're successful. A power drill, it'll do. All right. I have a small, tiny grinder. The 3-inch one should be able to do that, right? Because what if I need to grind something? Let's see if this will work for a smaller grinder. Okay. So, it'll work with the small grinder. Good. Because now we know that we can remotely go and drill shit as well as grind shit. How about sand shit? I've got a multi-purpose oscillating tool here. Let's see if this works. Okay, so you can grind shit, sand shit, and drill shit with it. And of course, you should be able to charge your phone. Okay, so it charges on the DC. So when you switch to DC, it charges. As a YouTuber, I could be doing stuff at night where the GoPro cameras are terrible for filming at night. So I need some good lighting. Let's see if I was out doing something in the middle of the night. Would I need my light? And I could just transport this with me. So here's my YouTuber light. Hey, okay, there you go. So I could have this battery pack with me, power station, wherever I go, and have power to power a light and some small power tools, and also charge up your electronics for sure. So so far we've tested all that and it's still showing 100%. So probably use this for quite a bit, you know what I mean? I do like the casing that it comes in. It's a nice little handy small unit, and you have ample inputs for your electronics to charge your phone, and also, like I said, lighting. So this is going on, you know, it's pretty bright LEDs, right? And we have been trying that power for a bit. It's still sitting at 100%, you know, which is pretty good. This is 500 watts maximum. And like I said, you could just charge it through that charging cord. So there you go. I'm powering my light right now with this item that I just got today. This mini power station, 500 watts. I was a little disappointed that it's not able to power my stronger electric hand tools, such as a grinder. We tried 2 different grinders, but it does power a power drill, and things that don't pull too many amps, you know, like a heat gun. A heat gun is all electric coil, you know what I mean? You're pulling a lot of amperes out of there. So I wasn't surprised that it didn't handle the heat gun. It didn't handle the bigger grinders, but it did handle a drill, oscillating tool, and a smaller grinder that didn't pull that many amps, you know. Obviously, you can charge a myriad of your electronic devices, iPad, computer, iPhones. You know, that's very useful. And most all little smaller electronics like lights and stuff like that are now powered by USB too. So while you have the USB inputs in here, you also have a Type-C that you can use, which is the standard moving forward. It's more reliable. You know, you can put it either way. You know what I mean? So that's why they have the USB-C on there. It's very useful. I'm sure a lot of you guys have USB-C electronics at home that you could use. So like I said, if you have an item that has a cigarette lighter plug on it, you could use that. 2 AC outputs here. 100% charged. Seems to hold up pretty well. You know what I mean? It's at 99% now, and we've been going like 10-15 minutes already, so that's pretty good. You know, I've got a steady LED light shining on me right now, you know, so it's pretty good. Once again, this is from Vinnic. You can go check out their website at vinnic.com, and they also sell a 1,000 watt, 1,500 watt, and a 2,000 watt unit. So I'm pretty sure that with the 2,000 watt unit, you'd be able to power the bigger, heavier pull amperes grinders. Like I just tried the grinder before. You know, for carpenters and guys that need to work out in the field with some heavy tools, I think maybe the 2,000 watt one, you'd have better luck with the power of the more stronger grinders and stuff. But honestly, this is pretty good for what it is. 500 watts. It was able to power the drill and the small grinder. Probably power something else that's equivalent to that type of ampere pull, you know. But honestly, you keep this in your car or in your house, whatever, fully charged. And whenever you have a blackout or you have a need for it going into the field, or if you just need lights and to charge your electronics during that blackout, this thing would really come in handy. Come in handy for camping, hiking, going off on a trip somewhere, you know what I mean? Good to have in your car. This also does come with or they offer you the option of getting a solar panel charging device, which I don't have. They didn't give that to me, but that would have been nice for me to test that, you know, to charge this baby with the solar power panels, you know. And also there was another attachment as well. I forget what it was. Oh, yeah. If you needed to jump your car, right? It came with the alligator clamps for your battery on your car. You would plug it in somewhere and be able to charge your car, so it would act as a jump starter as well. A jumper pack, if you will. But really, really handy. It's heavy, you know what I mean? So to keep this in your car, in case you needed anything, I don't know if you would keep it in your car all the time. If you have the jumper cables, maybe that might be worth it, you know, because if you lost power somewhere, you can just jump your car and you're off and you're going, you know, so that's handy to, you know, it's not big, but it is kind of heavy, you know what I mean? Yeah, good unit. I wish I had the solar powers and the jumper pack to test, but we'll see what happens. Really nice. Thanks a lot, Vinnic, for sending it to me. I'll definitely use this because we get a lot of blackouts here in Huntington, Long Island. Because our power lines are on the poles, you know what I mean? And we have a lot of trees. So whenever there's a big wind, a tree falls, knocks down the power lines, and we're out for a while, you know? So we use it quite a bit. Thanks a lot for joining me today on this product review. Happy holidays to you all and a happy new year. Thanks a lot for joining me. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Next time on the Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.